I'm out of town, thugging with my round. My pussy meat, my booty hole, bro. What is that? Woo! Hold on. Did I just catch a flat? Oh, man. I always said that.
20. Make them hot. Willie Earl, boy, you ain't got yourself shit. You ain't got yourself nothing. Hold on. Hello?
Uncle Bang, where you at? I need you to help me to come fix a flat.
God damn it, man.
Look, don't start all that. I got 20 for you.
I'll be on my way.
All right. Damn.
What goddamn time flat? You better have my goddamn money. What happened to that nigga you had? That nigga don't know how to air no damn tires up? You better have my goddamn money.
You got holes in your drawers, embarrassing me and shit. Come on, Uncle Bang, pull it up.
I mean, my ass crack out. Sometimes you gotta let the motherfucker breathe. God damn. You always got something to say.
That's for bicycle. You can't put that on no car. What is you doing?
And you ain't say a Pacific Airport.
You know what? Don't even worry about it.
Give my goddamn money.
You
Give
ain't
my goddamn
get
money.
nothing. You ain't fixed nothing.
Every time I deal with you, I don't never get my goddamn money.
Uncle Bang, bye.